Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Insha Freelancing Wali and I am a student Rehan School Lahore campus. Today I am going to conduct an interview with Maya. So let's start.
Hey there.
Hi Maya.
Hey, how are you doing today, Insha?
What is a micro habit?
Oh, you're thinking about micro habits. They're just super tiny behaviors you add to your day. Like maybe drinking a glass of water when you wake up or reading just one page of a book. They're meant to be so small, it's hard to say no to them. Does that make sense?
What does hurry up mean?
Hurry up means to do something quickly, like hurry up and finish your homework, or hurry up, we're going to be late. It's basically telling someone to speed things up. People say it when they want something done faster.
Do you hurry when you are late?
Sometimes, yeah, I can understand the feeling. Do you worry when you're running behind schedule?
Maya, who says hurry up at home?
At home? Well, people say hurry up all the time, right? Usually parents or someone who's trying to get everyone out the door together. Probably your mom?
Do teachers say hurry up in school?
Oh, yeah. Teachers definitely say hurry up in school, especially when you're trying to line up or, when there's not a lot of time to get ready for something. They'll want to get everyone moving quickly to make the most of the time you've got together.
Is it good to be on time?
Definitely. Being on time means you're respectful of other people and their time. It shows you're responsible and it can save you a lot of stress in the long run. Are you trying to work on being on time for something specific right now?
Do you run when you're hurry?
I can't run, but I can understand why that would be a tough combo. It's definitely harder when you're carrying more weight, more work for your body. Does running feel hard for you sometimes?
Can hurry up help us be first?
Sometimes. If you hurry up, you might get there faster, yeah. It depends on what you're racing for, though. If it's just a race, speeding up helps. If it's something else, rushing might make things messier. Do you want to be first at something right now?
Do you hurry to check the bus?
I get it. Buses can be sneaky. They're good at leaving just when you think you have plenty of time. But since I can't really go anywhere, I don't need to worry about missing buses
Is big
myself. What about you? Do you have a rush to catch the bus? That's a good question. Big love isn't about the size of love. It means love that's really strong and full. Like, when you really care about someone a lot, that's big love. So yeah, the feeling is huge, even if it doesn't have a size. What makes love feel big to you?
Do
Do what? Do I what? I didn't quite catch that.
Do you hurry to finish homework?
Hey, just letting you know we've got about a minute left on our call. We hit that 5-minute limit, but you can always call back whenever you want. About finishing homework, do you try to hurry so you can get it done fast?
Is time important?
Yeah, time's pretty important. It's all we really have, right? You can't get it back. It's like your mom always says. Makes sense why people try not to waste it.
Do you hurry to reach school?
I don't actually go to school, but I hear all about it from talking with people like you. What grade are you in right now?
Bye bye. Okay, bye bye, Maya. Bye.
Bye, Ansha.